Sometimes the quietest women carry the heaviest stories. If you're watching this, you might know what it's like to disappear into the background after a seizure, or to feel your memories slip through your fingers like water. Maybe burnout has left you numb, just going through the motions. I want you to know you're not invisible, you're not broken, and you're not alone. Let me tell you a secret. I've been where you are. After my seizures, I was terrified of my own body, of forgetting moments I loved, of never feeling normal again. I tried to force strength, to smile when I wanted to scream, to make myself smaller so I wouldn't worry anyone. But all it did was make me feel even more alone. And then, one day, I stopped pretending. I traded hustle for healing. I found a softer comeback, a quiet path back to myself. And it started by letting myself rest, letting the tears come, and trusting that softness isn't weakness. So, here's what I learned, and what I want to share with you. Healing for quiet women looks like rituals, not routines. It's pouring tea in the morning, letting the steam warm your hands. It's journaling, without judgment, just letting your feelings spill onto the page. It's skincare, not as vanity, but as a way to remind yourself, I am worth caring for. Some days, healing is just sitting by a window, watching the rain and breathing. And on the hardest days, it's reaching out, even if your voice shakes, and letting someone else hold space with you. You might wonder if anyone else feels this way. Listen, I hear from women every day who whisper, I thought I was the only one. One says, your softness gave me permission to rest. Another shares, I'm learning to love myself again, one gentle ritual at a time. These words are real. This circle is growing. If your story feels heavy, let's carry it together. You don't have to do this alone. Come join our sisterhood, where quiet is celebrated, healing is honored, and you are seen. There's a free lifted love guide waiting for you below. Let's make our soft comeback together. Healing is still possible, and it starts with you, right here, right now.